In today's video, I'll show you how to aggregate data in Tableau quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Tableau or just refreshing your skills, this short guide will help you understand the essentials. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Start by opening your browser and visiting the Tableau website. Log into your account or create one if you're new. Once you're in, open your existing workbook or create a sample one if you're just getting started. This will give you a space to practice. Now look at the data pane. Drag your dimensions like region or product category to the rows or columns shelf. These dimensions define how your data is grouped. Next, drag your measures such as sales or profit onto the view or the marks card. Measures are your numeric data points and can be displayed in different ways depending on where you drop them. To aggregate your data, simply right-click on a measure in your view, select measure and choose the type of aggregation you want. You can pick from sum, average, count, minimum or maximum depending on what kind of insight you're looking for. Tableau will instantly update the visualization, helping you see how each aggregation affects your data. And that's it. You've just learned how to aggregate in Tableau. Keep experimenting with different dimensions, measures, and chart types to uncover new insights. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Tableau tutorials.